how to turn on the always on display and set it up for your Samsung Galaxy A53 Android 12 One UI 4.0. Let's take it from the start. So if you just got your phone straight out the box, you first want to use the quick panel access and see if the always on display is any place here. If not, you'll tap on the plus right here, and in the top section here, you'll browse over until you see always on display. So once you see it, go ahead and pull it down into this section here, which is where you will have access to it once set here in the quick panel access. So now you can use this, bring it down twice, and look for the always on display. You'll see it here, and you can simply single tap it to turn it on, or you can long press it, and that'll take you straight into the main settings of your always on display. Now, if you just feel lazy for whatever reason and you just don't want to do all that right now, you can always use the quick panel access, go to settings, and from here you'll go down to where it says lock screen. As you enter into lock screen, you'll see always on display. You can turn it on from here with this switch, or tap here, turn it on from here, and make use of these settings here. So as you turn it on, you'll have this first four options, which is how it will show or when it will show. Okay, so tap to show means basically if your always on display is on, you'll single tap your display like this here, and then it will come on. Okay, of course mine is not set up yet, but once you're done, you can set it up to how you want it, and then you can use this feature, tap to show or show always, which means in a lock screen mode, it's going to enter into your always on display like about a second or two. Okay, and then you got as a schedule, which will allow it to show at a set time throughout the day. So you can have it turn on from the start time and then turn off from the end time automatically on its own throughout the day based on the schedule that you have it set as. Or you can just simply have it show for new notifications. So every time you get a new notification, your always on display will show up. And I would just recommend using the tap to show. This one saves battery life, and whenever you need it, you can just single tap it and it will show you. Now, to have a clock style, a different style there, you can use one of the preset clocks here, or this right here, where you can choose either a sticker, create an AR emoji, a Bitmoji. Some of these you'll have to have it installed, and choose maybe perhaps an image from your gallery, and even different themes, which will take you to the Galaxy Store if you need to get access to more of them. As you can see, this may take a while, and of course I got the error message this time around, but once you're signed in, you'll be able to go into the Galaxy Store and get access to more themes if ever. The AR emoji is one of the latest ones here. You'll just select this one here. You'll just be prompted to go through a few customizations, and then once you're done and all set, you can go ahead and just have it like that here, and it'll show you for you that that's it. And then you also got the show music information, which if you have maybe the Samsung music player playing already and you're on the lock screen with your always on display shown, you'll see the players there for you to access and go forward or back and play and pause there. You also got the auto brightness, which it's going to adjust the brightness for the always on display automatically, or you can just turn it off and have it set to how you want it to set, whether you want it super bright or just dimmed, or it's up to you. And then you got the orientation, which you can have it shown in portrait mode or in landscape mode. Okay, so just to quickly show you here, once we're on the lock screen like this here, I already have my AR emoji here. I'll single tap it and just show you. It's going to show up something like this here. And that's that. Okay, you can always come back and make changes to the clock style, find the one that's right for you, and enjoy it. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.